Hello. Today we're going to be talking about how do you choose the just right topic for your informational text. When you're writing informational text, it is important that you connect with what or who you're writing about. So you may ask yourself, what do I write about? And then you'll decide, why do I write about that? Well, those questions should draw you into writing about something that really truly interests you. What are you interested in? What do you like? What don't you like? What about the world would you like to change? Those questions are things you really need to consider when you're trying to decide what exactly your informational writing topic will be. So you might ask yourself, why is it even important that I am that interested in this topic? Why do I have to consider why I'm writing about a particular thing? Because as writers, when we are genuinely interested in what we're writing about, we tend to be more invested. We tend to take the topic more serious. We tend to want to find the answer to those questions. Why are you writing about this thing? Because this thing is what really interests you. You want to find a solution to the problem. You want to figure out the cause and effect. You want to describe a situation or something to someone. So while you're writing about a topic, it's very important because the more you're invested in that idea or topic, the more or the better your writing is going to be. The more in-depth your research will be. So always think about writing about something you're passionate about. What are you passionate about? Are you passionate about a hobby or a sport? Why a certain sport is played a certain way? Are you interested in why there is so much violence in video games? What draws teenagers into or your peers into wanting to play video games that are violent? Are you interested in a particular person? Is there someone that you really admire, something about a person that really you would really like to model yourself after? Think about those things. Think about what you like. Think about those things that drive you. And take that thing and look at the world around you. Because if you're asking yourself those questions, then I'm pretty sure that there's someone else that's asked that same question. So now, what I would like for you to do is take a moment. Think about 2 or 3 things that you feel really passionate about. Think about some informational text ideas that you would really like to dig deep into. Now, what I want you to do is create a chart. List those 2 or 3 ideas, and then I want you to take a moment to brainstorm. Why would you write about that particular topic? Try to give yourself 3 good reasons why you would want to write about that topic. So let's take basketball, for example. If you love basketball and you often wondered, how do they come up with the floor measurements? Why does the basketball goal have to be a certain height? Why does the free throw line have to be a certain distance from the baseline? If you ask yourself those questions, if that is something that you're really interested in, then come up with 3 reasons why that question really needs to be answered, or why you think things are the way they are. Another example is, ask yourself, why do schools require uniforms and some schools don't? If that is your topic idea, now come up with 3 reasons why you think schools would require a uniform, or think of 3 reasons why you think that is the most absurd idea ever thought of to be implemented in a school. So now I want you to take a few moments and jot down your topic ideas and try to list 3 reasons why you like that idea, why maybe you want that question answered. Give some information, reasons that support your thinking for an idea. Try to come up with at least 3 reasons for each idea. Now, take a look at your list of topics, your list of reasons. Now, if you were struggling with coming up with reasons to support or questions to ask about a particular topic, then you might not want to consider that as a topic you would like for your informational text. Look at the one that you jotted down and had no problem coming up with supporting reasons, coming up with ideas. Look at that one that you just absolutely feel the most passionate about after you've considered 2 other ideas. So what I want you to do now is take your list of 2 or 3 topic ideas and whittle it down to 1. And what I want you to do once you figure out that one main topic is to write as much as you can about that idea. Jot down everything you might know. Also consider things you might want to know. If your topic or if your idea happens to be a question, write down exactly what you want answered. Write down some possible answers or some possible reasons. But what I want you to remember is that your one chosen topic should be something you are really passionate about, something that you really want to dive deep and dig deep and research and write an informational piece about, whether it is a question, whether it is an idea or a concept, whatever it is. So take this time to go from 2 to 3 ideas down to 1. And hopefully that one idea is going to turn out to be an awesome informational text. Happy writing.